So what's up? I'm back for another magic trick. So, meron akong set of cards. Ito ay 52 cards. So, huhula ako yung isa sa mga cards. So, una, ano ang lahat ng 52, which is 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So, ito 26 cards na to. Ayan, ito sa ilalim. Ilalim. So, maglalabas ako ng top card na 4. So, outing is equivalent to 10. Second, kailangan pare-parehas ng 10. So, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10, 10. So, yung tatlo sa ibabaw is lahat natin sila lahat. So, 10 is, lahat is 10, is 10. So, 10 plus 10, 20, plus 9, 29, and plus 7, equals to 36. So, ito, huhula ako yung pag 36 na cards nila dito. At mukhang Queen of Clubs. Pwede. Mali. Queen of Flower. So, nalain kung tama ako. 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So, ang 36 na cards sa hula ko ay Queen of Loves. Fire or flowers, something, diba? Get this out. Oh, ha? So, mukhang tama ako. So, kung alam yung tips na to, just thumbs up. Tapos, kung alam nyo yung tips na to, pwede nyo siyang i-reveal kung paano gawin. So, yun lang. Ito sa susunod na magic tricks. I'm out.